So our goal for today, guys, we haven't really played ranked in about a week or anything, so I want to run some ranked games. Let's try to get out of plat. We're plat 1. We just climbed up to it. Haven't really touched it since the beginning of the season, pretty much. But you know, I think we give it some goes. I think I want to start climbing into the diamond area as fast as I can within this season. By as fast as I can, I mean probably soon. I don't know. We're already like a weekend or something like that. I don't know. It'll happen, dude.
No slow this time, though.
That makes sense. Okay. Yo.
Last player
Can I go next? Can I go next? Can I just surrender this game or?
No! Dropped, right side. Doubles.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Oh wait, Phoenix still double.
Flashing it. Flashing again.
Still. Nice.
It's just a rank.
Just a rank, dude. For someone who doesn't play that often, it's more than a rank. It's like you win 3 games, lose 3, and you're down 3 ranks. Like, what? Just kidding. That's not how it is. But you know what I mean. Like, if I win 2 games and lose 2 games, playing rank was basically you stopping.
Oh my god, the timing. Every single fucking time that I peek anything, dude.
No,
Switching sides.
what we have here in the natural habitat right now is the Braindead Opera, right? He's negative, and also he needs somehow to get combat score. So what he does is he buys the most Braindead gun in the game and holds angles. Pug you.
Dude, we should do that so we win. I think that would be a good idea.
I'd rather win knowing I use a rifle than get boosted by an op. Like what? If I ever get to Immortal and I'm an op only, like, how does that make everyone else feel like they're gonna be like, oh, he needs an op?
It's a tool in the game, and it should be used.
That's a yikes for me then.
They're out.
That's the sidewalk.
Yo!
One enemy
What are you guys watching?
All I want is love that last.
How did they close on me that hard? What were we watching?
Their backs.
One mid.
What?
Spike spotted. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Yo, big play, Omen.
Enemy spotted. Cover going out.
Killjoy, Jets on site, Gen.
One enemy remaining.
That's some cat.
Good plays, alright.
Wait,
Dude,
what?
Megazar, man.
One enemy remaining.
Not the best spray, but that was hopping.
I have to do. I have to do it.
I can't even afford a weapon.
I have.
Can I buy? Can I buy? Yo, can I
don't know.
purchase? Hug you.
Oh my god, I fucked up my team.
30 seconds left. Fire in the hole!
Portal closed.
One lurking cat. One is still ulting. Yeah, okay, there it is.
I have my ult. I'll get his info.
Right.
Spike planted.
One here. She jumped back. Right, or we're looking tree.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. And last one.
I'm back.
Get the op tree.
I like sweaty Bappo. Nice
30
kill.
seconds left.
Nice kill.
No. Oh, no, don't do it to her.
Rip.
Raise it out. Nice.
Yo, what?
Op and market.
Dude, this is... If this doesn't tell you how dumb the op is, like, I don't know what, like...
Wednesday week.
Well, they're not using any utility to deal with them. They're literally just like walking into his crosshair. They don't have
They
any
don't have any
controllers.
smokes.
Yeah, exactly, because they picked a stupid fucking comp. Like,
I don't know, man.
this is a comp issue, dude. They picked 2 Sentinels. Like, okay, man.
In a perfect world. Yo, don't tell me that's what you do to get to Immortal. Just jokes.
I don't, dude.
Just jokes.
There's
I'm
literally
just,
nothing wrong
I
with
got really
using
good with the
it.
rifle, so then I can get really good with the op. Easy pop.
You know what? All you need is to go with a classic. That's all you need.
I am good at the classic, dude.
Time to jump.
Spike planted.
I'm throwing.
Who's lurking? No one.
Flashing
Yeah.
again. One's hell, one's generator. Killjoy's gen.
Inside.
One enemy remaining.
Last one's gen. Nice, good job, guys.
Yo, I did a lot.
Off heaven, off heaven, off heaven.
I got our gun. I got our gun. Oh shoot! Wait.
Throwing.
Throwing.
Oh man.
I got the Holy Grail.
It is a holy grail against this team, dude.
It's more like it's like a hatred that's developed.
I understand the hatred, but it's like this is what this is what's supposed to counter comps like this. Like they had a good defense because they were rocking 2 Sentinels, but their offense is just fucking terrible because they have 2 flashes out of the Phoenix and 0 smokes. They have jet smokes, which are now nerfed as well. Like,
I guess, but like if they switch the raids to an Omen, is there anything we could have done? Like we would just get rolled.
it would be harder, but they also don't have flashes. Like they have the Phoenix flashes, which are like all right, but
Decoy.
Let me flash.
2 boxes, 2 boxes.
Flash inside.
One enemy remaining.
Main botting. He's right here. I stick. I'm sticking. We have time, I think.
Okay.
I think we have
gotta
time.
run, dude. We gotta run.
So I could be dead. Like that is a
So-
possibility.
I can flash you out. Flashing.
Hey.
On my way. Placing swarm.
Portal closed.
They have Phoenix ult.
They're smoking mid.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Let Phoenix body go through. I let Phoenix body go through.
Sage was still tiles.
Oh, dude. I didn't know he ulted there. I could have just killed him and killed him. Whatever. Phoenix and Killjoy and Sage.
Throwing.
All cap. That was a big blind. One gen. Gen dead.
30 seconds left.
One more gen. Default.
Here.
One enemy remaining.
Last one tree. Close right.
My
GG easy. GG easy.
Defenders
GG
win.
easy.
Too many
If you lose
characters.
one, I'm done. I'm gonna be that guy.
We lose one, you're done. You're leaving me.
I literally play ranked all day.
I guess we can't lose one then, dude.
Wait,
Yo, can I get help?
I think... Where did you get soft from, expired soda?
Spike
I have my ult. Ulting for
I have
retake.
17 HP.
I'll handle
Brim's right here. 2 long. Sage long as well. There's one back site, I think. No, nobody back site.
105. Dude.
Oh, one's garage, one long.
Garage long.
One enemy remaining.
That's one long.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's go! I'm back in it, boys.
You're back? Holy frig.
I'm immortal.
Yo, I believe it, man. I believe it.
This is just my throw account.
Like, why do you want to throw my game, though? Like, think about it.
Oh,
My
no.
My
game.
name's Lucas, dude.
Because you
I mean,
can,
he's not
dude.
really throwing.
Yeah, I'm not really throwing.
Dude, stop,
but-
Brad.
No, listen. You could do a lot more. I've seen your
Nah.
gameplay.
I'm baked.
You're high, aren't you?
Oh my god.
Alright, we just gotta play smart. Don't peek stupid
Hit him
shit.
with
That's
the
literally the
Literally
only...
about to peak long. Hello?
Alright.
Oh man, I can't. Won't forfeit.
Zero. 2.
time to jump.
Just get some numbers here.
High is like wearing off on them.
Okay, he's probably gonna be
One
working towards
enemy
you.
remaining.
Last one's towards you.
Nice.
Yo, kid got banned for hacking?
Hackers.
No, he didn't.
The
If
game
he
would
gets
be
banned,
over.
the game
Yeah,
shuts
it would
off.
have been red,
Show me
but
where to
Yeah.
go.
Alright,
Throat
we're playing
line just kinda got bored.
right now, dog.
Gonna use it. I have to finish it off.
He just got bored. We're so sweaty now. We just gotta wonder this, dude.
Cutting through.
Yeah, they might rotate. rotate, but I got Sage here. Oh no, they're
30 seconds left.
oh, he was 112 so low.
Surprise.
Got ult.
Jet's lit 80.
One enemy
Jet's lit
remaining.
80. Last one.
Last player standing.
What? Why is she hit 34? Like one shot.
Blocking sight. 10 seconds left.
Nice, Rafa.
Oh my god, you're insane.
Get out.
Oh my
Hit her
god.
34.
Yeah,
Who's
yeah.
capping?
I didn't realize that was like
Switching sides.
that was the overtime round. So I was like, oh fuck, dude. Like we still got more to go. And then I was like, oh shit.
No, PRP, I go P.
Fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Reloaded.
Jet go P.
Cutting through. Going up.
Jet bought an op every round last time. Remember?
Uh-oh.
Spike dropped. That's how you
Might not
I'm
wanna-
TVing backside.
Yeah, now we go.
Oh shit,
no,
you're
we have
insane.
to-
Never-
Probably want to A-Link with an op.
Careful now.
Oh, I bombed. Shit.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Ooh, that's weird. That's a weird
Windows?
Dude, you
One
guys are
enemy
cracked out the
remaining.
wazoo,
Last
man.
one, amen.
Correct out the wazoo. That's some gay, I think.
Yeah, I'm flanking. I'm flanking.
Team Ace.
Oh, let's go.
Nice, guys.
Yo, we ranking up tonight,
I
boys.
didn't even get a kill. I didn't even get
Switching
a kill. That's so
sides.
weird.
One
Oh,
enemy
expired.
remaining.
I think he's on C.
Long area. He's like
30 seconds left.
long.
Yo, guys. Good shit. Here you come.
Yeah, he's pushing in. Oh man.
Guys, let's
Where are my
go.
bullets
Defenders
going?
win.
Nice win, guys.
Easy clap.
GG, GG.
This is a GG easy. I am 1 point away. No.
One mid.
They push me. 2 backside.
Camera taken out.
Enemy.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Time to jump.
Spike planted. One enemy
Oh my
remaining.
god, dude, I couldn't control my spray. Probably has a lineup.
Everybody's got one.
It's like mid.
Okay, pause.
Yeah, a few mid stairs.
Cutting through.
Imagine if you, I mean a lot.
Lights up.
One more up there,
Viper,
trying
Viper.
downstairs. Two more up, you have
He dropped down hell.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, good shit, guys. What's your sense? 800 DPI,
What do you
0.4
have?
in game.
A Vandal.
Ulting in.
High ground.
I'll
They're
handle
doing the
this.
same thing.
Nobody
on
close?
so.
1 back sight.
Here.
Phoenix, 2 back sight. Phoenix jet.
Two back. And one in smoke. One in smoke.
I'm back. Miss me.
Last
Oh,
player
one's in
standing.
tunnels too. Fuck.
Spike planted.
She's back in the corner, dude.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Careful now.
Last player standing.
Back.
Nice.
Good job, dude.
I think she dropped the wall knowing that I'd be low because of the decay.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Like dude. Yikes. Viper's scary.
That's big.
Viper's been lurking.
Two more
Time to
B.
jump. Careful now.
One close on site.
Over here.
One enemy remaining.
That's okay. I feel like this ranked this act, it feels like one big team difference at Plat Diamond. Skill disparities between teams feels like it can be ridiculous. Maybe a little bit, but like this skill disparity isn't crazy here. I think this Jet's smurfing her ass off, but like our Jet's lagging. Like she's literally unplayable apparently. She's saying. You wanna boost me up into this corner? Yes.
Cutting through.
It's B.
A or B.
That's backside, backside.
He canceled.
They know where you're at, right? Yo, what is our Jet?
They probably-
Oh, our Jet's in.
They could be on A.
One enemy
Nice.
remaining.
Die.
Nice
Yo,
job.
what even happened? Can you explain where our Jet was? Like, how did she get there?
I think she just flanked through mid. I think she just literally just
Oh,
walked
she
through mid.
flamed. I thought that we
Dude,
cleared
they're
everyone B
broke.
main.
2A.
Watching it?
Reyna didn't heal. She said 120.
Time to jump.
Play site. Phoenix is linking.
Decoy. Spike.
Wow.
One ropes.
Reyna's 5 HP.
Probably one screen.
Portal closed.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go, Lucas! Hell yeah, man.
Dude, that was a great.
Cutting through.
Everyone B main.
Careful now.
I have air
They just went right through my Molotov.
Hit her through the wall. Hit her through the wall. One more. Please.
Oh, you ain't coming back.
We're all tagged at the wazoo.
Reyna's lit. Reyna.
Are they not all dead?
Yeah.
They're pushing out right now?
Cage trigger.
Omen TP backside.
Enemy killed. Spike spotted.
Phoenix is pillar. Omen's probably backside.
Gun here. Spike's here.
One enemy remaining.
Omen TP'd.
That's what's
Probably pillar.
Cage triggered.
He's going CT. Nice, guys. Good game. Let's fucking go.
Holy
Defenders win.
frick. You guys are
I'll
good at the
take it,
game.
good
Love you
game.
guys.
Why do we always have to fucking come back, dude? Every game
It's
tonight.
split offense, I'm telling you.
It's just, no, but our last 3 games, they were all comebacks, dude. Man, dude. That's terrible. Don't do that to me. Not you, but just the game. Like,
No, 4 wins in a row.
I'm flat too now.